What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Believe You Can Paint channel. Recently I've been having this issue where every time I look for a new painting video, this happens.
Science mixed with Slapchop. You can be in a great mood all day, cause you slapping your troubles away with a slapping your troubles away with a Slapchop. Science mixed with Slapchop. You can be in a great mood all day, cause you slapping your troubles away with a slapping your troubles away with a
Slapchop.
Yeah, Slapchop style. Everybody's talking about it. There's videos upon videos and opinions upon opinions. I'm going to try to avoid that, and I just want to answer one simple question. Can a first grader Slapchop? I've got a special guest on the channel today that's going to help me answer just that. Stick around.
Get your thumb in it. You're going to glue yourself.
This freaking airbrush.
Don't get your thumb in that water. You just touched it again, dude.
We're going to paint two miniatures today. The first one, my daughter's going to try out Slapchop style. This is her little ankylosaur toy that she wants painted up. And we're going to make a base for it and then paint it using Slapchop style. So let's check that out.
This freaking airbrush. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our Stonewall Gray, Vallejo game color. Stonewall Gray, okay? We're going to get just a little bit of that out. I've already got it mixed up. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, really easy. We're going to take our makeup brush and we're going to just get some paint on it, okay? Just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to wipe that paint into the paper towel. Okay, see our brush has gray all over it. Okay, now we're going to wipe off most of it. Okay, we want to wipe off almost all of it to where it's barely got any paint on it. See? Okay, now we're going to check on our hand. Okay, now you're just going to take your brush and over the whole miniature pretty much you're just going to go like this. Okay, yep. Just keep going. You'll see he's slowly starting to turn gray. There you go.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Looks like white to me, kind of.
Yep, it's pretty close to white. You'll see. You're gonna go left-handed now. There we go. Okay, now time for the next step. You ready? We're gonna use a different color. We don't need to clean our brush because we're just gonna go up to another color. All right, so this is Grizz Lobo or Wolf Gray. What do you see about that color?
It's kind of more of a lighter than that color.
Yeah, it's lighter. So where should this color go if it's lighter than the other color?
There.
Where should it go on the mini? What do you think?
on the top.
Yeah, that's right, on the top. So only the high spots where the light's gonna be stronger, right? So across this top, you're gonna put it on the same way, okay? Yep, across this top. Yep. Yeah, just don't go all the way to his bottom, okay? What is white? What do you notice about white compared to the other colors?
White is the lightest color.
It's the lightest. So where should it go?
On the top that's really light.
Only on the top. Okay, so hold on. You're just gonna go across the top. So hold your brush. Okay, right like this. There you go. Just across the top. Kind of light. There you go. Down his back a little. And on the top of his tail. All good? You like it? Okay, now, here's what we're gonna do. We gotta get out our yellow mat because we're gonna make a little mess, okay? All right, so the yellow mat's gonna come out, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use contrast paint.
Contrast paint. Is contrast paint messy?
Can be.
Messy.
Yep. This is the contrast brush. Okay. Don't need our paper towel anymore. Okay. Yep, you can grab that brush. We don't need this brush anymore. We can go clean it here in a minute. This paint is gonna go all over him, okay? So you can put it on his whole body, okay?
What color is it?
It's skeleton horde.
Skeleton?
Yeah, it's for painting bone. Okay, so you just get a good dip of it. Okay, and go all over him. Coat his whole body, whole body. Yeah, just nice and easy coats, just like that. You don't have to put it on like that. Just coat it on there. Yeah, keep going, the whole thing, just like that. Yeah. Here, I'll get over here. Get more paint. You want to use lots of paint. Satisfied? Okay, cool. Thank you. Alright, get you a pinch of it.
Like this?
It's gonna take a little more than that. Go ahead and sprinkle a bunch on there. Each one.
That?
Yep, go. Don't get your thumb in it. You're gonna glue yourself. Alright, go some more. Get it all over him. All over his base. Keep going. Don't get your thumb in that water. It's not water, it's super glue. It'll glue you. You already got it on you, didn't you? Keep going, get his front. You just touched it again, dude. You're gluing yourself. A little bit more there. Alright, I think that's good. Okay, now we want to put a bush on.
Bush on?
Yeah, those are bushes. Okay, so which bush do you want to put on?
This big.
Big one? Okay. Look at that huge mess you made.
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't mean to. It's messy.
All right, it's Daddy's turn, and I'm going to slap chop this Ankylosaur from So Well 3D Print. Thanks, Jason. He's got some cracks to fill. I was going to use UV resin, but I didn't. I used green stuff. So I'm going to get my soft silicone tools and some water and some green stuff and fill in the cracks on this guy.
The shells on there looks like Mario. The shells on Mario.
And this guy needs a base. Let's go build one. Now we need a way to attach this fella to the base. An easy solution for that is to drill some holes with a pin vise and glue in some paper clips.
You ready?
That looks super good. How did you put the eggs on there?
I made them.
With what?
Green stuff.
Green stuff?
What do you think?
Cool.
Hey,
What?
I made him for you.
You did?
Yeah, I made him for your room.
That looks so good.
Yeah?
Both of them.
Yeah? You like them together? Good.
What if we put that one over there?
We could. Yeah, he'd look good over there, right? Because the grass is the same.